Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Cobra on a 24 block Rubik's Twist. So you have to start off with, so it looks like that. So there's it goes upwards, and then you have to count the first 2 blocks and then turn them up like that. Okay, and then now, so that's going to be kind of like the head of the Cobra. So, yeah, and then you're going to count 1 block and then turn everything else down, up, like that. Okay, and then you're going to count 1 block and then turn everything else down towards the bottom. Okay, and then, so on the side here, you're going to count 1 block and then turn everything else to the left, like this. Okay, and then you're going to count 1 block and turn everything else up. So up to the back, like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to count 1, 2, and then turn this 3rd one down. Okay, and then so this one over here, you're going to turn that back up so that these 2 match, like that. Okay, and then so now you're going to count 1 block and turn everything else down towards you, and then you're going to count 1 block and turn everything else down again. Okay, and then you're gonna count 1 block and then turn that. Actually, so you're gonna hold these 2 and then turn this one to the left. And then you're going to grab that entire side and bring it over so that it matches up like that. Okay, then you're going to turn this block down. And that is the head of the Cobra, right there. Okay, and then you're going to count 1 block and turn everything else, and then turn everything else 2 times to the back. Okay, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and then turn that like that, so like that, and then count 1 block and turn everything else 2 times, so once, twice, then count 1, 2, 3, and then turn everything else 3 times, 2 times, 1, 2, and there you go, you have the Cobra. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And bye, see you in my next video.